Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome. If you want to see how I created this look, please stay tuned until to the end for you to know how I created this look. So guys, I'll start by priming my eyes, and I will be using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn, and I'm not going to be setting my concealer. The reason is because when you don't set your concealer, you get the good color payoff. So I'm using the Ingot Face and Body Blush in number 18, and this is just a yellow type of eyeshadow or body blush, and this has been a good yellow color for me. That's why I'm using it. And when you don't set your eyes with a powder, you need to be careful when you're applying your eyeshadow. You need to pat it instead of like swap it around. So now I'm using the Sahara palette by Juvia'S Place. I love Juvia'S Place products. They are amazing eyeshadow range. I haven't been disappointed yet. Now I'm just blending the eyeshadow. After I patted the eyeshadow, now I'm blending it, and this will allow you to have that fading effect between your transition color and the color that you're trying to build. Back to the Juvia'S Place palette, and I'm using the Magic palette, and the color is Ive. They have funny names, trust me. Every eyeshadow has a funny name. So back to the body blush, this to build up or to bring back the yellow transition color. I'm using the concealer. I'm using the technique to look up so I can see where my crease will cut, and that is just a trick if you want to have a good cut for your eyes. And back, I'm using the Juvia'S palette again just to create a dimension. And now I'm using again the color Zohra, if I'm not pronouncing it wrong, just to create that fading effect and to blend everything for seamless finish. Back to the Juvia'S palette again, and I'm using this color that I can't pronounce, and Berber color, to have that halo effect on my eyes. And guys, with this look, you just need to be careful, and you just have to take your time when you're creating the look and blend everything. You need patience, I would say, because you need to play around with colors and everything. So I did the other eye off camera because it could have taken me forever. Now I'm using the MAC foundation, and I'm using the new range, and now it's the NC55. So now I'm using the MAC 24 Hours concealer in Studio Fix. To be honest, I'm still 50-50 with these concealers. Let's see. I want to give them, few trials and see how I go. And I'm just contouring my face just to make the face look a little bit snatched. Yes, and some music going on in the background. I always have music on when I'm doing my makeup. Maybe that's why I don't speak when I'm doing makeup, because I have to have something entertaining in the background. So yes, I'm just blending everything, and take your time when you're blending your concealer, because if you don't blend it properly, you're gonna have some crease line under your eyes. And I normally go back with the foundation brush just to blend everything and to get rid of the harsh lines. And I'm using the Sacha Buttercup setting powder, and I normally use this powder if I want a good under eye highlight. And here I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hill contour palette, and I'm so upset that I didn't buy these little powders when they were selling them individually, and I just bought one to try, and I am in love with it. And they don't sell them anymore. They don't even sell the empty palette, so I'm just stuck with that little plastic palette thing for this bronzer powder thing that I have. So I normally go back with my brush just to blend everything in for seamless look, and this should be everyone's technique, I think, because it gives you a good finish. Now I'm trying to snatch that nose to make it smaller. So yes, because I'm not gonna be going under the knife. Let's just let the makeup do the work for now. So I'm going back to the palette, and I use the pinkish color that I used on my eyes, under my eyes, just to create some dimension and some mid-smoky type of look. After that, because I used a lot of powder, I'm just, spraying my face to bring back the glow and the dewiness. For the lashes, I'll be using Koko lashes in Amore. Yeah, I used to love their lashes, but now I think I'm wanting more of different type of lashes that are out there. Back to the Sahara business, Juvia'S business. I love this brand. I just love it, and I'm using their kind of orange blush, and I love orange blush on my skin tone. It just gives me, some color to my skin. Yeah. And Old Goodie lip liner by MAC, Chestnut, and yeah, Juvia'S products, the liquid lipstick. And I just wanted to give a try to their lipstick, and I think they're pretty good. I like them. So yeah, just doing the most, make the lips look juicy and clean. And this one is Colourpop. Yes, it's a Colourpop. It's a kind of like a shimmery lipstick. No, it's not a lipstick. It's a gloss. And that is the finished look, guys. What do you think of this look? I personally love it. And yeah, if you want to see more, please click on that notification button so you don't miss anything that I post. Thank you very much, guys, for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.